stage of game. What's the stage of Mafia? You cannot tell by the title. I'm doing a chill day, so y'all might see me at Panera. And what else this video consists of. So, and that's where this video is gonna go, or however it's gonna go. But before we get into it, comment, like, and subscribe. Press that bell so you get notified when I upload new video, so you don't miss any of my Vlogmas bangers. Period. Cause y'all know.
Period. 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 Period.
I know what it is. Period. So, yeah. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm finna show y'all my outfit, my Pizzo. So I got a black jacket on and representing my cousin on the back, and then I got my jogging pants, my pink jogging pants from Pink Victoria's Secret, and I got my Yeezy slides, and I got my Louis Vuitton bag, whatever you call this. And then I got my Apple Watch and bracelets and my glasses, and I did my hair, my edges, and yeah, this is my outfit of the day. So yeah, I'm still in Target. I'm halfway done shopping and getting the stuff that I'm getting and stuff like that, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get home and what I bought. I ain't showing nobody yet, but I'm gonna show y'all what I need to show y'all when I get home. So I'll see y'all when I get out of Target. So yeah, so guys, I just made it back home from Panera and Target. So them are the two places we only went today. It was kind of a chill day. We ain't really do too much. We ain't really do too less. So yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all the things that I got. So here's what I got from Target. This is what I got from Target. It's kind of a minimum it's mostly for the tree in the house. Next, I'll probably be going shopping for for my twin brother and my oldest brother and my nephews, and yeah. So I got candy canes. I got this for the tree because we missing a part of the tree. And I got this cute little candy Grinch theme. It's so cute. And I don't really need to show this, but I got toothpaste and my toothbrush and a tongue scraper, which is my oral hygiene products. I did buy some dish detergent. I don't need to show that. Y'all already know what that is. If you don't, then that proves that you're dirty. Yeah. I ain't trying to be mean. I ain't trying to throw no shade. But that's what that is. What else did I buy? Oh, I bought another stocking for my mama. Because I bought mine yesterday. I didn't record yesterday. I just posted my singing video December 1st yesterday. So I posted my singing video. Go watch that. Period. Don't play with me. So, yeah. I ain't really get a lot of stuff because I didn't want to spend a lot, because I still have to, like I said, I still have to get other people, my nephew something, my mom, and my dad, and my twin brother and my oldest brother, and that's it. Not too much and not too less. So, yeah. This is really all I got. So, yeah. So that is all I got from Target. Y'all already saw the little clip in Panera what I was eating. So yeah, that's all I did today. So I'm cutting this video short. So see y'all in the next vlog tomorrow. And I do gotta work tomorrow. So I might record tomorrow. I might still record me going to this dumb job. But without further ado, this video is coming to an end. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press that bell so you can know if I'm not uploading new videos. Because you don't want to miss my bangers. Because you already know what it is. So what I always say, wet, peace.